Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, September 18. I'm finally excited to do my giveaway, and it was something that I've been wanting to do for the last few weeks or so, but I've just been busy and it just keeps being put back. But I'm finally able to come here and do the giveaway to show my appreciation to all of my subscribers and for all of those that have been enjoying my channel and watching my tutorials and also recreating my projects. It really means a lot to me to have you come and join me when I share with you some of my projects, and also for leaving me all the beautiful, lovely, positive comments that encourages me and makes me want to continue sharing with you more and more fun projects, and also to help you with some inspiration. Especially if you're a beginner to paper crafting, I try to make a lot of the projects as easy and as simple for you, and then you can change it up the way you may want to do the project. So I just want to say thank you to everyone. It has been just such a joy to come here and have you join me, and so I thought I'd do a giveaway. I've done a few in the past, and it's just been such a while since I've done another one, and I want to show you what's inside the box and the goodies that I'm going to give away, and I'll also give you the details if you want to participate in the giveaway to win the prize. So this is the box. I haven't finished decorating. I'm going to decorate the box a little bit, so I just wanted to show you what's inside the giveaway first, and then I'm going to package it up a little bit better than how it looks at the moment. But I wanted to show you what you will receive if you are the winner. So inside here is a paper bag that I've just added some fun bits and pieces for you to perhaps maybe use in your projects. So I'll just show you what's inside the bag. And you could alter this paper bag if you wanted to create like a journal or collage it. You could reuse this and repackage some of your goodies for Happy Mail if you like. There are a lot of videos out there to alter these bags, and I'm also going to do a project as well to very soon on what I'm going to make with these bags. But in the bag there are these Velcro dots, a black and a white one that you could use. I use these to use as closures for my flip books or little mini albums or pocket folders, and they're just great to use to add a closure to your folder. There is also a roll of washi tape. It's a lovely floral with blue tones and pink flowers. So there is a roll of washi tape that you could use, and I have a collection of clear stamps on here. I chose this one. I thought this would be a cute one for you if you wanted to use these in your project. So there's a few fun images here that you could use for card making or to stamp some tags. They're really cute. So you get this in the package. Just put that back. That's that one. And then there are some of these projects that I had made in the past as tutorials, and I thought I would share this with the winner, and you can play with these, add these to your projects. You could gift these or just keep it for yourself. So this one here is one of the pockets that I made not too long ago, and I filled this up with some fun stuff for you. I'll take these out and then I'll try to repackage them back in the pocket. I made one of these paper clips. So you get one of these, and there's a lot of fun stuff in here. These are all made by myself here. I made an embellished tag, an altered paper clip. There's also a little booklet in here that you could use. So it's a little cute little booklet notebook. And there is another tag with a bow that I had made and done a tutorial for you as well, where you can make these without a punch board or without a die. And I just added that to the front of this pocket. There are a couple of tags that you could reuse, and that's the pocket. So this pocket here is the same as this pocket. It's only taller and slimmer, and this one here is a wider pocket. And these are fun to make, these pockets, if you like making pockets. And there is another pocket that I made with another little pocket with a coordinating tag to go in this one. This is a die that I have, so this is a die set. Thought maybe you could use this as well in another project, or you can add it to a page or add it into a journal. This is another pocket with a cut apart that I have. That's a cute little tag or quote card that you could use, and that's the pocket. So I'll just put that in there. This is another one of these tags that I had done a tutorial as well, where you just use your paper scraps and you just tear the edges and lay them onto a plain cardstock tag. A coin envelope that you can construct with different papers using your paper scraps as well. This is just an empty coin envelope that you could use to add your bits and pieces. I made a file tab note card, which you could use. You can use this to add a photo on here if you wanted to. And this is the pocket. So it's the same as this one. Let me just bring it out just to show you. So it's exactly the same, just different lengths and height. So I'm just going to put these back. I'll try and put these back the same way. So these are a lot of fun stuff for you that you could use, or you could send them off yourself for gifts. I'll just quickly put these back. So that's this one. I just don't want to lose anything. I could probably still, you can make these and you can fit a lot of, because there's still room to fit more things if you want to make one of these sort of pockets. I use double-sided paper for that, and this size here is a 6x6 size paper. I've also placed I can't remember what I called this. I think it was like a storage pocket folder, and it's a great size. I love this pocket folder that I made. And you can add more little layering if you wanted to add more embellishing around the front. You can add a little dangle to the tool here if you want to add a dangle. And inside there is another cut apart that I've made. You could write on the back here, but I thought this would be a perfect little way to say thank you, so I've placed that in here. And it's a nice large pocket here. Nice opening, so you can use this to add a little mini journal in there. There is a pocket here with like a flip note card tag shape, and I thought I'd leave this blank, and you can embellish it. You could also add some printing paper and cut it to the same size, fold it in half and staple it in to create a little booklet. So you could do that. So, one second, my little boy is looking out the window. There's a bird. 1 second. It's all right. It's okay. You won't be able to get the bird. Just stay there. So sorry. He may bark again, so I do apologise. And you can have fun embellishing here as well. Use it as a way to store some photos. I've got another long slim envelope in here that you could use. It's another envelope for 3x4 journal cards, note cards. I use the envelope punch board for this one. This one I made using my own measurements with a scoreboard, so you can make your own envelopes using that. I'll try and put the tutorial for most of the things that I'm showing you in here if you have missed those videos and you wanted to make one yourself. So I'll try and put the videos, the links for them for you. Oh, and that's the pocket. So there is another pocket there. I actually like this folder. It's a sort of an interactive folder. And on the side here is another deep side pocket. I made like a booklet with some, and it's all blank, so you could use this as a journal or somewhere to write. You could add more of your own papers and fold them over and create more of a journal with more pages on this side. And I left that blank so you could decorate it and have fun with whatever you like to do with the note booklet. So I'll put that back in there. I'll put the link to this folder, pocket folder as well, if you missed this video. It's really easy to put together. That's that. I made some handmade embellishments that you could use for a project of your own, or you can gift this for Happy Mail. These, I also had done these on previous videos, and done a process video on how you can make these really easily with just your scraps and just your paper supplies. Great beginner project as well. So I've done this one, and I think I also done that one as well for as a process video. And you just open it at the bottom here. So you just take out your embellishments from the bottom, and then you can reuse the packaging again if you wanted to do that. I've made a paper pack of some papers that I had, in case you wanted to use some of these papers. So there's a bunch of, I'm not too sure how many, I think I put about maybe 4 or 5 pieces of 4x6 size, some 4x4 size, and some assorted different sizes. So there's a few in here, double-sided papers, so you could decide which ones you want to use. Let me just see, I'll try and open this up. These are from previous paper pads that I've had. Most of them are die cut with a view paper pads. Oh, there's also some vellum in here too, that's right. I've added a couple of vellum pieces for you. It goes that way, so there's those. There's this one. There's this one. And these are some of the random different sizes. Double-sided. And then these are some of the 4x4. I've done projects as well where you can make things with 4x4 sizes. If you go through my videos, I've done some project ideas using 4x6 size papers, little mini projects. That's that. I also have a little vellum pocket with some little bits and pieces in here, some little word sentiments that I've of my own. And then there are some die cuts, some punched out shapes, just bits and pieces in here that you might want to add to your projects to decorate. And then you've got yourself a vellum pocket. And there's a doily that I've just closed on the top so nothing would fall out because it's a top opening. So there is some little bits and pieces of goodies in there as well. So I'll just sort of show you what's inside the box if you are the winner. Now, to enter the giveaway, it's really, really easy. All you have to do is like this video. You have to be a subscriber of my channel and have been an active a subscriber of my channel that have been commenting on my videos as well. So I do read all of your comments. I may not respond to all of your comments because it's hard to keep up with them, but I do read them all, and I do try to reply with some of them. So that is what you also need to do. And below this video, you just need to leave a comment saying that you would like to enter the giveaway. That way I'll know that you've entered. And it is open internationally for everyone to participate and enter in the draw. And that is all there is to the, that's all the details to enter. So you just need to be a subscriber of my channel and have been an active subscriber and have left comments, like the video, and it is open internationally, and leave a comment below this video saying you'd like to enter the giveaway. And then I'm going to draw the winner on Thursday evening, if not Friday. just depending when I finish work. So I've just been doing a lot of double shifts at work because we're such short staff. That's hence why I haven't been doing videos in the last week. Just been busy working morning right through to the evening. And that is all there is to enter. If I'll leave all the details down below anyway for you, so you get all the details so you don't miss out. So good luck everyone if you're going to enter, and I will be back in a couple of days time and I will draw out the winner, and I'll see you then. Thank you everyone. Bye for now.